Supra Mission 68 is live, and as always, I've aced the mission quizzes for you so you can claim your mission crates. Now let's get started. What event happened simultaneously with the launch of Supra's mainnet? When Supra's mainnet launches, it's like the big day when everything they've been working on goes live. At the same time as this launch, they also have a special event called the Token Generation Event (TGE). This is when new tokens are created and made available to the community. It's a big deal because these tokens can now be used or traded, marking the official start of Supra's blockchain on the mainnet. So the TGE happens right when the mainnet goes live. What is the primary purpose of a testnet? A testnet is like a practice area where developers can try out new code and ideas without affecting the real blockchain, which is the mainnet. It's not for storing real assets or trading tokens with real value. Instead, it's where they can make sure everything works properly, fix any problems, and get things ready before going live on the mainnet. Think of it like rehearsing before a big performance. You want to make sure everything is perfect before the real event. I talked more about what the testnet is all about in my latest blog. You'll find a link to the blog in the description so you can check it out and read it to understand more about what testnets are. What role does the community play in the testnet phase? During the testnet phase, the community has an important role. They get to try out new features, see how everything works, and give feedback to the developers. They can also help find any problems or bugs in the system. This helps make sure the blockchain is in good shape before it goes live on the mainnet. The community are like extra eyes and hands helping to make everything better. So that's it. Supra Mission 68 done and dusted. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Supra updates, mission quiz answers, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. Don't forget we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. The Supra public testnet will be live soon, so don't miss it because it will also be incentivized, meaning you will get rewards for participating in the testnet. So keep acing your Supra Mission quizzes, stay safe, and I'll see you in Supra Mission 69.